Hey guys, welcome back to Beeskitchen. Thank you for joining me. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please don't forget to click that subscribe button. Today, I'm going to show you how I made this red chili sauce. Now, you know, at times when you cook and you just want a little bit of heat over your meal, guys, this red chili sauce will be right up your street. I also have the green version, so be sure to check it out on my channel. And guys, you can also use it as a marinade. So it's a win-win situation. Stay with me and let's get started on this recipe. Because I like my chili sauce quite spicy, I will be using 4 different types of chilies, but let's go through the ingredient list. I have garlic, jalapeno chilies, finger chilies, red bell pepper, and I'm using whole red bell pepper. I have Scotch bonnets, ginger. For seasoning, I have Maggi cube crayfish, white pepper, black pepper, and to fry the sauce, I'll be using vegetable oil. I also forgot to add onions, but I will be using onions in this recipe. I will list all the ingredients, including measurement, in the description box below. In the blender, I'm going to add the garlic, ginger, and the chilies. Next, I will add a little bit of water and I'll blend till smooth. Try not to add too much water because you don't want your chili sauce to be watery. And this is the consistency you're looking for once you've blended the garlic, chilies, and ginger. To fry the chili sauce, I've just added oil to my pot and I'm going to allow the oil to come to heat. Once the oil is hot, I will pour the blended mixture in the oil. As I mentioned, I forgot to add the onions to the rest of the ingredients. I've just added onions to my blender. I'm going to add a little bit of water and I'll blend this till smooth. Next, I will add the blended onions to the sauce. As I've added all my blended onions, I'm just going to give the chili sauce a stir. I'll allow the chili sauce to come to a simmer on low to medium heat. Occasionally, I will stir to minimize burning. I am now going to season the sauce with my Maggi cube, white pepper, and black pepper. As I've added all my seasonings, I'm just mixing everything together and I will continue to allow the sauce to simmer on low to medium heat until it thickens in consistency and also the oil rises to the top of the sauce. This will indicate that the sauce is ready. As you can see, the oil is gradually rising to the top of the chili sauce. Also, I'm going to stir for you to see that the chili sauce is also thickening in consistency. Guys, don't forget to taste and adjust seasonings if needed. As the chili sauce is nearly ready, I decided to add some crushed chilies. And guys, this step is entirely optional. I just like the texture this crushed chilies gives to the chili sauce and also the look of it at the end of making this chili sauce. You can certainly skip this step and guys, your chili sauce will still taste amazing. And as you can see, the oil has settled nicely at the top of the chili sauce. This indicates that the sauce is ready. I am just stirring so you can see how thick this chili sauce is, and also just look at the crushed chilies inside. And whilst I was doing this, all I could think of was some fried yam and some fried fish to pair this chili sauce with. To store, you can keep some in a glass container and keep it in the fridge for up to a week. Always use a dry spoon when you take some out of the jar. If the spoon is wet, it can spoil your chilies. Remember, all the ingredients used in this recipe were fresh ingredients. You can keep the remaining in a plastic container and store it in the freezer for up to 3 months. Guys, this red and the green chili that I have on this channel is so good. I think I might have to do a yellow version. And as always, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so. Click the notification bell, which will notify you every time I post a new video. And also, I would love to see some of your creations on my Instagram, so feel free to tag me on Instagram. And I'll see you next time. Enjoy your chili sauce. Bye.